Welcome back to the official YouTube channel of Succulent Garden. Today I want to share with you 10 most common mistakes when growing succulents. When repotting the succulents, you should not immediately water it. You should leave the plant in a well-ventilated place and let it dry for one day. Next day, please water. The reason is that when repotting, the plant may have scratches or damaged roots. When watering immediately, the ability of water to penetrate the wounds of the plant will easily cause the plant to waterlogged. I do not understand why many of you, when watering plants, often water the leaves, while the part that needs water most is the roots of the plant. For the succulent, it is not advisable to water the leaves. The point of the succulents is that the tree has many leaves are stacked on top of each other. So when you water the leaves of the plant is susceptible to stagnant water, leading to waterlogging. So when watering, you should only water the soil. When watering the succulents, you have to check if the soil is completely dry. If the soil is not dry, you still do not need to water the plants. Continuous watering of plants for days without drying soil is a common cause of waterlogging. Many people, when planting succulents, are afraid of waterlogged plants. So each time watering very little, even only a few drops of water on the surface. Watering like this will not have enough water for the plants to grow, defoliation, and atrophy gradually. So each time you water, you should water soaked soil, to water all the soil in the pot wet. When growing succulents, it is imperative to use a pot with drainage holes. If the pot does not have drainage holes, it is difficult to water the plants. When watering too little, the plants do not have enough water to grow. When watered too much, the water cannot drain, causing the plants to waterlogged. Many people have the opinion that when planting trees, they will choose a large pot to replace the tree so that in the future, the big tree does not need to be replaced anymore. But when planting such succulents, it definitely will die before growing. Because the pot is big, the soil in the pot will be much. When the soil is much, it will hold a lot of water to exceed the plant's needs. The plant will be waterlogged. So you should choose a pot that fits the tree. Planting soil is the most important factor in deciding whether your succulent is alive or not, but many people often ignore this issue. Soil for succulents must drain well, so it is necessary to mix more specialized rocks. You can try by watering the soil. If the water drops quickly, the soil is suitable for succulents. Lack of sunlight is also one of the most common problems causing your succulent to die. When the tree lacks of sunlight, it will be very weak, pale color, and easily spoiled. We should sun-dry the plants for 3 to 4 hours/day. When you leave the succulents in the sun for the whole day, even when the midday sun is very hot, tree is very susceptible to sunburn. Feature of sunburned trees is that the leaves will be darkened or wrinkled. At that time, you need to move the tree to a cooler place and avoid extreme sunny hours. Many people spend a lot of money to buy the seeds of succulents, but when sowing and waiting for a long time, they still do not see any movement. Succulent is often propagated by gardeners by nursery leaves, not by seeding. Hope that my recent sharing will help you better understand the planting and care of succulent. Wish you will soon be able to plant beautiful succulents. Remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye and see you in the next video.